All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Visit us at allterrain.com for the Supreme Clean. Out in Rockland today to do moss removal and a roof soft wash. As you see, we got our pool brush, and we're just kind of going. We already did this first line right here. We're going down and removing the moss right here, right? Brushing it down, and see some loose towels there. It's kind of normal. Sometimes loose pieces of towel, I should say, not loose towels, but loose pieces of towel. We're certainly strapped down and harnessed down. This is a kind of a steep roof right here for safety precautions, and we're anchored down to the truck. And so now what we're doing is we're going to just brush all the moss loose and then rinse it down, and then so we can get the roof wet. Then we'll supply our solution to it and let the solution dwell on the roof to kill all the, I don't know if you can really kind of make out what, did you see all that black stuff right there? That's the algae and lichen and mold and stuff. So we're going to get all that, treat this roof and get it all cleaned up and get it all squared away. So visit us at allterrain.com for the Supreme Clean. We'd love to come out and help you. We service all the way from Sacramento, I should say all the way from Folsom to Davis and in between in the Sacramento region. 916-549-5255 for the Supreme Clean. Make that phone number ring. Thank you guys. Have a good day.